Welcome to our Old Charles, where today we are diving deep into the value of the Philippines 1 peso coin from 1993. This coin is part of the series issued by the Bangko Sentral in Pilipinas and features the iconic design of Jose Rizal on the obverse and the Philippine coat of arms on the reverse. Collectors and enthusiasts are always interested in this coin due to its historical significance and its relative scarcity in higher grades. The 1 peso coin from 1993 is made of a nickel-plated steel composition, giving it a distinctive silver appearance. Its weight and diameter are standard for the series, making it familiar to those who have handled Filipino coins from the early 90s. When evaluating the value of this coin, condition is the most critical factor. Coins that have been circulated heavily may show wear on Rizal's portrait or the lettering on the reverse. Such coins typically hold only face value or a small premium above 1 peso. However, coins in uncirculated condition or those that are graded as mint state by professional grading services can command significantly higher prices. Collectors look for sharp details and minimal scratches or discoloration when determining the grade of a coin. Another important aspect is rarity. While the 1993 1 peso coin is not considered extremely rare, there are variations that may affect value, including slight minting errors, misaligned strikes, or double dies. Coins with these anomalies are highly sought after by specialized collectors and can sometimes fetch prices several times higher than normal circulated examples. Market demand also plays a role in value. During times of increased interest in Filipino coin collecting, the prices for high-grade 1 peso coins can rise substantially. Online marketplaces and coin auctions provide a good indication of current value, with coins in excellent condition often selling for a few hundred pesos or more depending on the specific characteristics. And represents a period in Philippine history of economic development and modernization. The early 1990s were a time of political and social change in the Philippines, with efforts to stabilize the economy and strengthen democratic institutions. Coins like the 1 peso serve not only as currency but also as a symbol of national pride and identity. Over the years, collectors have come to appreciate the 1993 1 peso coin for its historical context and its connection to Jose Rizal, as well as its representation of the Philippine nation-state. While it is not one of the rarest coins, it provides a glimpse into the monetary and cultural history of the Philippines during the late 20th century. Understanding the history of this coin allows collectors and enthusiasts to value it not only for its monetary worth but also for its cultural and historical significance. The 1993 1 peso coin reminds us of the enduring legacy of the Filipino struggle for independence and the importance of commemorating national heroes in everyday objects. Thank you for joining us in this historical exploration of the Philippines 1 peso coin from 1993. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to learn more about the fascinating history of coins and numismatics.